Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Sachdeva. I'm working as Assistant Professor in Civil Engineering Department of Swami Keshwanand Institute of Technology, Management and Gramothan, Jaipur. Today, the topic of our presentation is traffic control devices and intelligent transportation systems. I have covered some part of intelligent transportation in this slide because nowadays intelligent transportation system plays a vital role in controlling the traffic. The content of this presentation includes introduction to traffic control devices, various traffic control devices such as traffic signs, traffic signals, road markings, and traffic islands, extra equipments which are used for controlling the traffic, and a very brief introduction about intelligent transportation systems. We'll start with the introduction part. What are traffic control devices? Traffic control devices are markers, signs, and signal devices used to inform, guide, and control traffic, including pedestrians, motor vehicles, drivers, and bicycles. These devices are usually placed adjacent over or along the highways, roads, traffic facilities, and public areas that require traffic control. Basically, traffic control devices are those devices which are used for free flow, easygoing, and safely movement of traffic on the roads. Traffic control devices is further subcategorized into four parts. First one is traffic signs, second one is traffic signals, third one are road markings, and fourth one is traffic islands. We'll start with traffic signs. Traffic signs, which are also known as road signs, are signs erected at the side or above roads to provide information to the road users. What are the objectives and purpose of using traffic or road signs? These are the objectives or purpose. First one is to achieve orderly movement of traffic. Second, to control the speed of the vehicles, which includes both increasing as well as reducing the speed of the vehicles. To control traffic behavior such as parking. Parkings are also denoted by using traffic signs. To direct traffic routes on the road. To guide road users of the conditions ahead, to reduce the chances of accident. This is one of the major objective of traffic signs or road signs, to reduce the chances of accidents. As per IRC specifications, traffic signs are divided into three parts. First one are known as cautionary signs, which are also known as warning signs. Warning signs are majorly shown in triangle. Second are known as mandatory signs, which are also known as regulatory signs. They are shown in circle. And third are informatory signs, which are shown in rectangle. You can see here cautionary signs are shown in triangle, mandatory and regulatory in circle, and informatory signs are shown in rectangle. We'll study in detail about all the three signs. First, cautionary or warning signs. These signs give information to the driver about the impending road conditions. These signs are meant for the safety of road drivers. These signs require caution and may warrant a reduction in speed for safety. The warning signs must be reflectorized at night time. As per IRC, the warning sign must be in the form of an equilateral triangle with a side of 450 with a side of 450 mm supported on a post of 2750 mm above ground level. These are the specifications of warning signs. It is a equilateral triangle of 450 mm side, and it is posted to 7750 mm above ground level. These signs are generally having black legends. The sign is made of black color with a white background, and they are having a red border. They are usually triangular, but few signs are in diamond shape as well. These are few warning signs which are used on the roads, like right hand curve, left hand curve, right hand pin bend, left hand pin bend, right reverse bend, Y intersection, major road ahead, roundabout, and school ahead, men at work, crossroads. These are the signs which shows us the conditions of the road ahead. They warns us about the conditions of the road ahead, and they are useful in reducing the speed of the vehicles. Second types of signs are known as regulatory or mandatory signs. Mandatory word itself means compulsory. It is mandatory for the driver to obey these signs. In the case of failure, the control agency or the traffic policeman has the right to take the legal action against the driver. Means if you will not follow these rules, you will be penalized by the traffic policeman. These signs have generally black legends with a white background having circular shape with red borders. These are the mandatory signs, like cycles prohibited, straight prohibited or no entry, no stopping or no standing, no parking, and U-turn prohibited, vehicles prohibited. These signs are speed limit. These signs are mandatory signs which you have to follow on road. Otherwise, you will be penalized by the controlling authority or traffic policeman governing the road. Third types of signs are known as informatory signs. These signs are very useful in giving the information about the road. It shows the route design, destinations, distances, services, and other useful information. These signs are normally seen on the top of the road or on the left hand side of the road. These are used to determine the direction of the destination or the distance of the destination on the major distances of the major destinations on the road. These are very useful on the roads. Second type of traffic control devices are traffic signals. A traffic signal is a set of automatic controlled, operated or controlled lights, typically red, amber and green, for controlling traffic at road junctions and pedestrian crossings. Basically, traffic signals are provided at a four-legged intersection or a three-legged intersection to control the traffic on that intersection. These are used for pedestrians as well. There are two types of traffic signals. First are known as traffic control signals and second are known as pedestrian signals. These are traffic control signals, in which red means stop, amber yellow means caution, green means go. These are pedestrian signals, in which red means stop and green means go. You can cross the road when there is a green sign using zebra crossing. There are many advantages of traffic signal. Traffic signals are used to control, regulate and guide the traffic, get free flow of traffic without unnecessary interruption and congestion, minimize road accident by regulating the traffic, protect pedestrians from accident, provide general safety and efficiency to the roadway, reduces right angle crashes, they provide economy over manual control at the intersections. Majorly, traffic signals are provided when the PCU is greater than 3000 and there is no provision to provide a rotary intersection there. In the absence of rotary intersection, or whenever we can't provide a rotary intersection due to the IRC guidelines, we need to provide a signalized intersection there. Traffic signals are provided at signalized intersections. There are few disadvantages of traffic signals as well. Increased total delay, especially off-peak. Off-peak means traffic signals are very useful at peak hour traffic when the traffic is very high. But at off-peak hour, like in the afternoon or late night when the traffic is very less, there at that time also the traffic signals are working, and which increases the delay of the vehicles. Due to delay, the fuel consumption, air pollution and traffic congestion takes place. Induces road users to use less appropriate use. Disobedience of signals is one of the major issues which can lead to traffic accidents as well. Rear end collisions increases. Improper timings cause excessive delay, increasing driver irritation. Failure of traffic signals due to electric failure can also lead to confusion between the drivers. There are three types of traffic signals available in the market. First one are manually operated signals. These signals are operated by a point nearby the traffic signal. The signal phases may be varied depending upon the traffic demand at the point of time. Whenever in which direction the traffic is more, the green time can be increased at that time. Second are fixed time automatic signals. In this type of signals, same set of signal phases are repeated again and again. These are fed inside the traffic signal and they are repeated again and again. This type of signal may function effectively at the locations when there is no significant variation in traffic flow on each approach road. The time phase of each cycle is fixed based upon the traffic studies done earlier. These are the cheapest type of traffic signals available in the market. The last type of traffic signals are known as automatic traffic actuated signals. The timing of the phase and cycle are changed according to the traffic demand. Suppose in the traffic going from north to south direction and south to north direction is high as compared to the traffic going from east west or west east direction. So the green time of the signal will automatically get increased. These are known as fixed automatic traffic actuated signals. They are having the sensors fitted into the signals which can sense the traffic load on the road, due to which they can change the green time of the signal. These are the costliest type of signals available in the market. If you want to study further about the designing of traffic signal, you can view my previous video which I have done on traffic signal design as per Webster and IRC method. Third type of traffic control devices are known as road markings. Road markings perform an important function in guiding and controlling traffic. The markings are made using paints in contrast with the color and brightness of the pavement. The markings which are made on road are known as road markings. There are four types of road markings. First one is known as pavement marking. Pavement marking on the road itself is typically made of white paint with yellow markings indicating parking restrictions or lanes. Second are curb markings. Along roadside curbs, these markings can indicate parking regulations and more, and may appear with alternate black and white lines to indicate visibility for a longer distance. Object marking. Certain physical obstructions or hazards which may include specific labels to warn the drivers and pedestrians. Fourth one is reflector unit marking. Reflector markings on the road can guide the drivers safely during the night with some hazard markers capable of reflecting light from a distance up to 150 meter. I'll try to demonstrate an example of them. These markings are known as pavement markings. We can see whether sometimes they are continuous, sometimes they are in dashed form. Continuous road markings are denotes that you can't overtake the vehicle or you can't go into the opposite lane due to high traffic, and dashed line denotes that you can overtake the vehicle ahead of you with caution. These are known as curb marking. These are also known as pavement marking. Reflector unit marking and hazardous markings are done on the trees or on the bridges or on anything which is coming in between the road and which can cause accidents. Fourth one of the traffic control devices are known as traffic islands. Traffic islands are raised areas constructed within the roadway to establish physical channels through which the vehicular traffic may be guided. There are four types of traffic islands. First one are known as divisional islands. Second are known as channelizing island. Third are known as pedestrian loading island. And fourth one are known as rotary island. We'll explain all of them. Divisional island are those islands which are used to separate the opposite flow of traffic on the roadway with 4 or more lanes. Whenever there are 4 lanes, 6 lane or 8 lane road, the opposite moving traffic is divided by a median or a divider, which are also known as divisional island. Channelizing islands are designed to control and direct the traffic movement, usually turning. Whenever there is a left-hand turn or a right-hand turn, there is a channelizing island provided there to provide a separate way for the road user to turn their vehicle. Third one are known as pedestrian loading island. Pedestrian islands are provided to serve as safety zones for the aid of and protection of the pedestrians, which are majorly at bus stops or at a few destinations where the pedestrians can stand. Fourth one are known as rotary island. These are the large central island for four or more than 4-legged intersections which forces the vehicle to move in clockwise direction along the rotary. If you want to read further in detail about rotary intersections and design of rotary intersection, I have done a video on that as well in detail. These are known as islands. This is divisional island, this is channelizing island, this is also a part of divisional island. This is a pedestrian island where the pedestrian can stand. There are a few extra devices which are also used by the authorities to control the traffic on roads, which includes traffic cones, traffic drums, traffic bollards, parabolic dividers, speed breakers, rumble strips, road studs, etc. I'll explain them with the help of their figures. These are known as traffic cones. These are traffic cylinders or traffic drums. These are traffic bollards. These are parabolic dividers. These 2 or 3 equipments are used whenever there is a repairing work or a construction work which is being carried out on road. This is used to diverse the traffic, and this parabolic cones are also used to diverse the traffic on the different lane. This is known as speed breaker. These are known as rumble strips. These are known as road studs. We have seen all these things on roads, but we don't observe them. Speed breakers are used to reduce the speed of the vehicles. Rumble strips are a set of speed breakers which, whenever a road is approaching towards a major intersection, a set of speed breakers are provided, because a single speed breaker is uh, not at all complete to lower down the speed of the vehicle. So a set of breakers, which are also known as rumble strips, are provided to lower down the speed of the vehicle whenever the road is approaching towards a major intersection. These are known as road studs, which are provided at the corner of the roads or edges of the roads, which are also having reflectors which shines at night. This, whenever the vehicle tires passes over these road studs, there is a vibration in the vehicle which warns the driver that you are going off track of the vehicle or off lane of the vehicle, which wants the driver to move into their lane. Now, I will connect some part of intelligent transportation system with traffic control devices. First of all, we'll study about the definition, what is intelligent transportation system. Intelligent transportation system, ITS, aims to achieve traffic efficiency by minimizing traffic problems. It enriches users with prior information about traffic, local convenience, real-time running information, seat availability, etc., which reduces travel time and commuters as well as enhances their safety and comfort. Intelligent transportation system is an integrated system that includes a wide range of communication, control, vehicle sensing, and electronic technologies. Basically, intelligent transportation systems consist of the latest technologies which are available in the market, which can be used to control the traffic on the roads. What is the need of ITS? ITS is used to lower down the speed of the vehicles, increase accident rates. They are also used in reducing the accident rates. Make transport system more efficient, secure, and safer through the use of information, communications, and control technologies. Improve the attractiveness of public transport. If the speed of the public transport will increase, if suppose you are standing at the bus stop and you know at what time the bus will be coming, so that will be more convenient. And if there is an availability of the seat in the bus, so that will make the public transport attractive, so you will move towards the public transport instead of private transport. So ITS can play a very vital role in that. Tackle rising congestions which increase travel time and industry cost, reduce the environmental impacts of transport. Obviously, if there will be low traffic congestions, the speed will increase, the environmental impact of the transport will decrease. There are many advantages of ITS. Reduction in stops and delays at intersections. Automatic traffic signals are also an example of ITS. If the traffic is more, the green time will be more, the lesser the delays will be there, and reduction in stops will be there. Speed control and improvement. They're also used to control the speed and improve the speed. When the speed is very less, they are used to control the traffic, which increases the speed. When the speed is very more, there are speed detection cameras which are installed by the local authorities or traffic governing authorities, which can measure your speed and you will be penalized for that. Travel time improvement. Obviously, when the speed will be increased, the travel time will be reduced. They are used in monitoring the traffic as well. Revenue collection. Revenue collection is one of the major thing which have been done by the Indian government, by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in India. They are used in collecting tolls by using FASTags at toll state and national highways. Traffic data collection is also one of the major things which can be done by using intelligent transportation systems. Cameras are available in the market which are used to measure the traffic. Traffic count can be done by using video recording. We can do the video recording at peak hour traffic. That recording can be fed into the software, and that software automatically gives us the traffic count of that particular time. You can see here these traffic cameras can be used for speed monitoring. They can be used for traffic count. There are many uses of these traffic cameras. I was talking about revenue collection FASTag, which are highly used in India nowadays. This has been made mandatory by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways from 1st December 2019, that every national vehicle four-wheeler must be having FASTag. So these are the best examples of intelligent transportation systems, and these are used in traffic, controlling the traffic. So I have included this in traffic control devices as well. For studying in detail about intelligent transportation system, I'll be doing a full video, detailed video on intelligent transportation systems in near future. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. For any further queries, you can mail me to nishant.sachdeva@skit.ac.in or nishantsachdeva15@gmail.com. Thank you.